When you're considering purchasing a used car, a detailed and comprehensive evaluation is crucial to ensure you're making a sound investment. Here's an integrated guide combining all the essential checks and considerations. Start with the vehicle's service history. A complete record is invaluable as it shows how well the car has been maintained and can highlight any recurring issues. A full service history often correlates with a well-looked-after vehicle. Assess the car's mileage against its age. High mileage may indicate significant wear and tear, while unusually low mileage for the car's age might suggest odometer tampering. A consistent history is usually a good sign. Number of owners. Fewer previous owners can indicate a more stable and potentially more reliable history. Cars that have changed hands frequently might not have been consistently well maintained. MOT. In the UK, cars over 3 years old must pass an MOT test annually. Check the car's MOT history for any recurring issues or failures. Consistent passes suggest good maintenance, while frequent failures could be a red flag. An HPI check will reveal if the car has any outstanding finance, has been stolen, or previously written off. This check is crucial to avoid legal complications and ensure the car's history is transparent. Look for signs of rust, mismatched paint, or uneven gaps between panels, which can indicate past repairs or accidents. Check the condition of the tires, brakes, and engine for any visible issues. A test drive can reveal problems not apparent during a static inspection. Listen for unusual noises and assess how the car handles, brakes, and shifts. Test all the electronic features, such as air conditioning, window controls, and the audio system. Replacing or repairing electronic components can be costly. Vehicle identification number. Ensure the car's VIN matches the documents and use it to check for any additional recalls or information about the car's past. Consider the car's emissions and fuel efficiency, especially with the UK's tax rates for higher emissions vehicles and the increasing focus on environmental impact. Aftermarket modifications. Be cautious of modifications as they can affect the car's performance, warranty, and insurance. Independent inspection. If you're not confident in your ability to assess the car's condition, an independent professional inspection can provide a detailed report on the car's mechanical status. While this process might seem extensive, CarKey is here to assist you. We understand the importance of each of these checks and offer services to guide you through the entire process. CarKey ensures that you're fully informed about the history and condition of the car, allowing you to make a confident and informed decision. With our help, you can rest assured that your used car purchase is a smart and secure investment.